Developing a business plan that's mostly text, and yes, your business plan is about the information, but from a visual presentation standpoint, having a business plan that's just text and it looks like an essay and, is all left brain is a huge mistake, because we have two parts of our brain. One is creative and visual. The other one is analytical and number-centric and data-driven. And so it's important that we appeal to both parts of our psychology, the emotional component, the creative component, as well as the technical component. And a lot of times people create business plans that are all text because it does take time and energy to design something that looks visually appealing. But if you do, it will increase the likelihood of people investing in your business, because if someone doesn't have to imagine it, it becomes more real. This is also why sometimes in our business we might create brand guides and other visual and creative components, because the more developed your business is, the likelihood of you raising money, assuming that that's your intention with your business plan, the more likely you're going to be to get that money. So this is the first mistake, creating a business plan that is simply text and does not have visually compelling attributes.